Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna talk about transmission for 2004 Infiniti G35 from 2003 until 2006. So for the transmission for this car has the TCM. So TCM, the one inside the transmission. Which one we're gonna be talking about today is the TCU. The TCU is the computer control module, the one control the transmission. Everybody have to understand there is each component there is a computer for. Even the transmission, there is a computer inside of transmission was a TCM, and the TCU is the one control the transmission. If you have the shift sports mode doesn't work or something like that, or the transmission issue, sometimes is the computer is the issue. So I've been looking for this video everywhere. I've been looking pictures, image, Google, YouTube. I didn't find no video, and a lot of people they ask what is the location for this computer. So today's video gonna show you what is the location for this computer exactly. And please guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Like that we keep showing more tricks. See ya, stay with me. Okay guys, so we're here on the passenger side of the car. So what we have to do is the location for the computer, for the control module for the transmission is located on this side. On passenger side, you have to remove this plastic over here. You have to remove this plastic, and it's over here. Location for is over here. Is on passenger sides. This is the location for. So remove it, and don't forget you have to remove the negative sides of the battery. Anytime you work with the electronic stuff, and locate the part number and go buy another one before you remove it. After that, when you get the parts, then remove the old one, then put the new one. It's easy location, guys. Yeah, my car has some issue. Every time I put the car on the shifts, so it doesn't give you the. Let me try to open it and see. Okay, you have to remove this plastic. Is always is located on the back side. Is right there. So you have to remove this plastic over here, the plastic cover. So the plastic cover I have to remove it, and the computer is located over here. And see, let's see. I don't have no tools with me to push this. Yeah, this is for the location for is for the, I believe is for the sedan. Yeah, for the sedan. Let me see. Open this plastic all the way. Yeah, stay with me guys. Let me open the plastic. Okay, I'll open it. I check it. So the location is over here, somewhere on the top. So I have to remove this plastic over here. So this cover all thing you have to remove to reach it. For sedan it's gonna be down, for the coupe is up, so it's located on the top. So location, passenger side, so located on this side here, up. For the coupe is up, for the sedan is down. How we can see guys, really so pretty much it's easy job guys, but the problem is there is no information how to find this part like this one. So this is why I've been looking for all day, almost 6 hours, been looking for this was location for this computer, and now I found it. Then guys, I show you what's the issue, what's the problem, or what is the location for that computer. And guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that we can help you all time. Thank you guys, and see you to another video.